Hello, welcome to the GeoTalks by Iqra, where maps meets meaning. First, I want to introduce myself. I'm Iqra, a geographer and GIS specialist, and this channel is all about understanding our world not just as a map of places, but as a web of stories, systems, and connections. As far as introduction is concerned, from climate change to urban growth, from satellite data to sustainability, geography helps us see the patterns and that shape life on Earth. So what is geography really all about? Geography is more than knowing where countries are on a map. It is a study of space, place, and connection. It arises with the different questions. For example, why do cities from where they do? Like how Karachi grew along the coast because of trade. How do rivers shape civilization? Think of the Indus, cradle of one of the world's earlier societies. In short, it helps us understand how the Earth works as one interconnected system. So geography is equal to space, place, and connection. So what is the technology behind this geography? That is GIS, Geographical Information System. Today, geography is powered by technology through GIS. GIS let us collect data, analyze that data, and visualize the spatial data. For example, government use GIS data to predict floods, design early warning systems like Pakistan Flood Forecasting Division in Pakistan. So every time you open Google Maps, check a weather forecast or the Uber's route prediction, you will see the GIS at the work. So geography and sustainability both are interlinked. Our world is changing fast, and the 21st century faces complex challenges such as climate change, urbanization, food security, and inequality. But you will be amazed to know that the answer lies in the location. For example, to tackle heat waves, cities like Lahore and Delhi are using urban heat maps to design more green zones. So, at the end, I would like to ask to subscribe the channel to learn, explore more, and to sustain this world. Thank you.